It's time for closing arguments, and you want to know who goes first. Your attorney who represents you as an injured victim, or the defense attorney? Would you like to learn the answer to this question? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer to the question is a little unusual. Why? Because when we first start the trial, who goes first? I do. As the attorney who represents you, the injured victim, I'm the one who goes first. We actually have the obligation to prove our case, and we do that by showing that we're more likely right than wrong. Now, at the very end of the case, when all the testimony is in, who gets to make closing arguments first? Well, in New York, in a civil case, especially a medical malpractice case, the defense lawyer goes first. So now the roles are reversed. The defense lawyer has an opportunity to make closing remarks to the jury to explain to them why they believe you should not award a verdict in our favor. After the defense attorney has had an opportunity to talk with the jury, I then have an opportunity to get up and now give my closing remarks. Now, what's this thing about rebuttal? You may have heard that phrase. Rebuttal is when one attorney finishes and now the other lawyer wants to have the last word. Judge, we'd like to have a rebuttal argument. And sometimes, in very rare instances, the judge will allow the other attorney to have a few minutes to rebut certain arguments that were raised. And they're very rare when that occurs, but occasionally it does happen. So again, why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into how the litigation process works here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize that you probably have questions or concerns about your own legal matter. And if your matter happened in New York and you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call. I answer legal questions like yours every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.